Well, good morning, students. Let us enjoy a very nice story, The Last Child. Uh, it is written by Mulk Raj Anand. You know, Mulk Raj Anand was a very famous novelist and story writer, and whatever he has written is full of humanism and human values, emotion, sympathy, telepathy, and all the this benevolency so far human life and values concerned. This story, The Last Child, it is from your supplementary reader Moments, and this first story is a very interesting and inspiring and telling a lot of things. Dear students, really if you go through the story you will find that the writer is focusing his mind on the values of this humanity. Though in this story child is the central figure, and rather to say he is the hero of the story. His heroic personality is just all around in the story flooded with this. Actually, it was a very colorful and beautiful festival of spring, and each and everyone likes festival. You also like, and while the child was very excited, he was very just curious, just to know, just to go to the fair, and all were going in the fair, because fair is not of 100 and 2,000. There are thousand lakhs and lakh people in the fair. So people are going from all around. Someone on foot and someone on bullock cart. Whatever the vehicle and whatever the convenience they had, they were enjoying and they were rushing toward the fair. And the child is also with his parents. He's just rushing toward the fair, and he's attracted. He's enjoying all the sceneries, all the beautiful natural scenery of on the way. The flowers, the flapping of butterflies, and so many flowers of different plants. He was just highly fascinated toward them, and he was enjoying in his own way. And actually, what happens later on, though he was visualizing, enjoying all the things on the way, whatever he was seeing, he just lagging behind like anything, and just paying attention toward the different shops. Actually, the fair was full of different shops, shops of toys, flower, balloons, sweet, etc. And other thing, the center of attraction was merry-go-round and charmers, jugglers. The various type of activities are happening in the fair, and he just he trying to know, he trying to get, but he knew that his parent won't supply the need of the child, and unfortunately he just gets lost while he was just lagging behind and want to enjoy the merry-go-round. He was very stuck up there, and parent went away, and he just get lost, and he was just crying like anything. Now you see, in the beginning he wants a lot of things: joy, this toy, flowers, balloons, sweets, garland, many things. In the beginning he was hankering for all these things, but now he's after getting lost, he's just crying like anything. I want my mother, I want my father. And luckily, a very kind-hearted person, he was very kind-hearted and noble person, and he found the boy, the last child, crying, and he just lifted and tried to console the boy like anything. He tried his level best. The kind-hearted person, the noble person, the generous person, the benevolent person was trying to console the child, supplying all the things, but it was of no use. It was in vain. He showed the shop of sweets, toys, etc. And just tried to supply, but he refused. Child refused. Child is not accepting all these things. And all the time, I want my mother, I want my father, I want my. He was crying bitterly. Only he just thinking about his parents. All the things which was very hankering and very attracted, very fascinating, it is of no use. These are of no use, and he's just crying like anything. And though in this story, actually this whole story is just moving, just running all around just child. And the two phases of the child you see here. The beginning he was fascinated, and he wanted all the sort of thing was which were available, which was in the market, which was in the fair, the different shops. But now he is not just crying and all the thing which was very hankering and very alluring, that was of no use. And all the consolation and this any type of attained by the kind person was of no use. And you see actually the child, as you want your parent very much, you love your parent and your parent love you, because this is a common phenomenon. This is the natural phenomena, and we human beings want parents because they are the source of everything. Now whatever you like in the beginning, that is approach when you when you just like your parents. So in this lesson, Mulk Rajaram, the writer, is trying to elaborate in detail the emotion, the feeling, the crying, the sentiment of the child toward his mother. So this story is very inspiring in many ways, and telling the different emotion and situation of the human personality, human being. So go through the story and discuss the various characters, the child and the parents, the kind-hearted person, and the things in the fair. And fair is a very attractive, and each and everyone likes such type of thing. And you also like. It is very natural, and it is happening. The various type of situation happening in this story, and it is telling a different modes of the human values. So it is to be continued. Thank you very much.